On Wednesday, the Supreme Court unequivocally rejected the unconditional apology tendered by Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna regarding the deceptive advertisements linked to Patanjali's medicinal goods. Justice Hima Kohli and Ehsanuddin Amanullah, presiding over the branch, sharply criticized Patanjali, characterizing their behavior as intentional, calculated, and persistent breaches of the court's directive. Senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, appearing for the Patanjali founders, said to the bench that people make mistakes in life. However, the top court rebuked the lawyer, responding that in such cases, individuals need to suffer. We are not blinded. We don't want to be generous in this case, the bench noted. During today's hearing, Advocate Rohatgi read out 2 affidavits submitted by Patanjali and its MD Acharya Balkrishna and another by Baba Ramdev. The apology is on paper. Their back is against the wall. We decline to accept this. We consider it a deliberate violation of undertaking. Be ready for something next to rejection of the affidavit, the Supreme Court said. The bench also reprimanded Baba Ramdev, highlighting his attempt to evade court appearance by citing overseas travel plans and subsequently submitting a backdated ticket in the affidavit. In contempt matters, when you seek exemption saying, I have a ticket to travel abroad, then you are saying, I don't have it. You are taking the process very lightly, the bench warned, calling the incident perjury in court. The bench further criticized Patanjali for releasing their apology affidavit to the public before submitting it to the court. They sent it out to the media first. Until 7:30 p.m. yesterday, it was not uploaded for us. They clearly prioritized publicity, remarked Justice Kohli. Moreover, the Supreme Court strongly condemned the Uttarakhand government for granting licenses for Patanjali products. It demanded the immediate suspension of 3 drug licensing officers. The bench rebuked the licensing authority, expressing dismay that the Supreme Court has become a mockery now. People think we sit in ivory towers. Your officers should be held accountable. You are seemingly in cahoots with Patanjali, the apex courts asserted. Uttarakhand Joint Director Mithilesh Kumar of the Uttarakhand State Licensing Authority assured that appropriate action would be taken moving forward.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.